MCP or motor control panel or motor control center. Here I will show you how to do it. Simple while it is still running. Welcome, let's dive in. First thing, we will check the voltage as it is being shown to our ppm. We need to do voltage, 3-phase and single phase, and also check the current. Then we will clean the panel and so far. So I will start. I'll take my voltage here because this one is the indicator. It has 3 phases. This is yellow and red, which is showing 414, and the yellow with the blue, yellow-blue, showing 417, red-blue, 415. Then I will check single phase. These are black or neutral, so red 239, yellow 240, blue 241. And when you are doing this, make sure you are safe. Your hand is safe. You have protected yourself with the gloves. Then from there, I'm going to check the current. The setting is current. So I will take it face to face. After face, here we check blue face is at 7.6. Blue face, yellow face 7.9, and red face is 7.4. Then black is 0.8. Then from there, I'll ensure all the pieces are well intact and all the relays are also well intact. From there, I will tighten. Make sure all are tight. That's why to ensure that all the contacts are well tightened. These are our fuses. breakers. These breakers are for the controllers, and this is our under voltage relay. This transformer is for stepping down because we need a small power to power this our relays. And this one we call it thyristor. Is for monitoring our motor heating. This one is ELCB. These are the links that we get in our panel. And this one we call it MCCB. This one is our VFD. This one and this one. And also we have all this, which are this one is ammeter, check current. This one and this one and this one. While this one is voltmeter. This one we call it selector switch. This one is a controller for VFD. And this is our indicators. This one is a switch on selector switch for controlling auto or in hand. These are our indicators.